Today we're going to have a look at how you can use Xero right from inside Horizon HQ. First you'll need to connect your account, and you do this from the admin settings. Next, choose Integrations from the left-hand side menu. Then look for the Xero icon and switch it to On. You'll now be redirected to Xero to authorize. Simply enter your Xero login details. And click Login. Now click Authorize, and you'll be redirected back to the settings page in Horizon HQ. Now we'll take a look at the settings. Click on the Xero tile and choose Settings on the right hand side. At the top of the screen you have 4 options that you can choose as default. 1. Which account should invoices be raised into? 2. Which branding theme would you like? 3. Is there a default tax rate that you need to apply, for example GST? And 4. The default due date, in this case 7 days after the invoice. Then simply click Save Changes. Down the bottom of the page is the email that you can use to send invoices directly to clients. We've preloaded with a number of options such as invoice number, invoice amount, but you're free to make changes any way you like. Now let's take a look at actually sending a customer an invoice. From the main menu, go into your Resources section. Next we'll choose the resource we're ready to send an invoice for. From the resource page, click on Create Xero Invoice. Your Xero settings will be loaded automatically. If no Xero contact is found automatically, you can add one from here. Simply go to the Choose Contact drop-down and choose Add New Contact. As you can see, all of Clark Kent's information has been automatically pre-populated. If there's anything else you need to add, such as an APN, you can do it here and then click Create Contact. With all your settings loaded, you may like to add a custom invoice description. Simply tick the box at the bottom and type the description that should be on the invoice. Finally, we'll choose whether we want to just create the invoice and send it later, or create and send the invoice now. You can now see the blue Xero icon next to the revenue item. This tells you that it's been linked to Xero and your invoice has been sent. Once you've created your invoice, you have a number of options. If you need to access your invoice again, click on the blue Xero icon. From here, you can choose to download the invoice in case you need to review it. You could also choose to email the invoice again, or even open it directly in Xero. If you already have a number of customers already in Xero and you'd like to import them to Horizon HQ, we can do that from the People area. Simply click on Import Contacts and choose Xero Import. Review the new contacts that were found and select the ones you'd like to import. And if we jump back into the People tab, you'll see Susie was imported successfully. So let's recap. Step 1, connect. Step 2, import. Step 3, send. Now that's business made simple.